What is the Internet of Things and how does it relate to the manufacturing industry?
In 2023, it's predicted that over 43 billion devices will be connected to the internet. I mean, can't even conceive of that as a number, right? The Internet of Things, as it's referred to, that's this multiverse of connected devices, is one of the top trends in manufacturing because it allows businesses to leverage the real-time collection of data and the feeding of that data into decision-making platforms to help you make informed decisions much faster, to provide a much greater level of safety in the workplace, and to improve the operational of manufacturing processes and reduce costs. I mean, those are all pretty big ticks, right? All that generated data is assembled up in the cloud, where it can be collated, interpreted, and presented to users, and not just to people, but to other processes that want to feed off and use that data. Where, like, for example, an AI engine that's watching this stuff, you know, tens of thousands, millions of records being collated, and is watching for stuff to emerge, and then predict based on the patterns that it's starting to see what is likely to happen, which could be around a flow of customer orders, or it could be around the way that a particular machine is operating on the shop floor. So, you know, that can have a significant impact if we take that last example of quality, for example, and make sure that we're executing as well as we can possibly execute. So that real-time gathering of data, that ability to collate, interpret, pass it on to people and process is a game changer for the manufacturing industry.